Example 3. Solving and graphing linear inequalities. Solve 2/3 times 2x minus y is less than 2 for y, and then graph your solution. So, you could distribute that 2/3 in, but then you're going to have fractions on both of these. I don't want to deal with more fractions that I don't have to, so I'm going to take and multiply by the reciprocal. Multiplying by the reciprocal, remember, lets us get rid of a fraction, because you can't divide by fractions, so we also have to multiply by the reciprocal over here. So all this goes away, so we're just left with 2x minus y is less than, now 2 times 3 is 6, 6 over 2 is 3, or you can do it, these 2's cancel out and we're just left with that 3, because one on top and one on bottom. Now solve for y. This looks much nicer for most of us. We need to move the 2x, so minus 2x, minus 2x. These can't combine. So negative y is less than negative 2x plus 3. Remember, we want the x in front of the b. Now, I can't have y negative, so divide by negative 1. Y, and when you divide by a negative number, the sign flips. So greater than, negative and negative make a positive 2x. Positive and negative make a negative 3. We're going to come over here and graph it. We start here, negative 3. Negative 3. Your slope is 2 over, remember there's a 1 down there, so up 2 over 1, 2 over 1. There's no equal to sign, so once again it is dotted. And once again you have to shade, so pick your point. So, you can either come back to this equation, or you can come back to the original. Either one works. Or you can even come to here. I'm going to use this one. This one is the easiest one to work with. So, 0, 0 is not on my line. 0 is greater than 2 times 0 minus 3. This is 0. 0 is greater than negative 3. That is true. Since it is true, I'm going to shade on the side of 0, 0 up here. And this is our answer. We are now going to do B. Solve 2 parentheses 3x minus 4, close parentheses, is greater than 24 for y. Graph the solution. You have two ways of doing this again. You can either distribute this in, or we can divide by that 2. I am going to divide by that 2. So all of this gets divided by 2, so this 2 and this 2 go away, and divide by 2 over here. So 3x minus 4y is greater than 24 divided by 2 is 12. Solve for y. So minus our 3x. That goes away. Bring down your negative 4y. Bring down your sign, your greater than sign. Put your x in front, so negative 3x plus 12. Now divide by negative 4 because the 4 is in front of the y. That goes away, so y, we divided by a negative, flip your sign. Negative 3 divided by negative 4, so this has got to go to this. So it's a positive 3 over 4x. The negative 4 also goes to the 12. It kind of makes a little heart. So 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3, so minus 3. So we're going to graph that. Come over here, go down 3. Then your slope, rise over run. So up 3, run 4. Up 3, run 4. It does not have an equal to sign. So once again it is dotted. Now you got to figure out where to graph, or where to shade, sorry. 0, 0 is not on it, so once again I'll plug it in. 0 is less than 3/4 times 0 minus 3. 0 is less than 3/4 times 0 is 0, so negative 3. 0 is not less than negative 3, So this is false. So if 0, 0 is here, shade opposite down here. That is your answer. Try it on your own now. C. Solve 3/4 parentheses x minus 8, or x times 8 minus 2y, close parentheses, greater than 6 for y. Graph the solution.